My roommates are annoying. It is currently our last full day in Korea. We're off to Lottie Tower this morning. It has a aquarium, a theme park, it's got an observatory deck, and it also has a shopping mall in it. And I'm really excited because a lot of the shops that I found I'm not too interested in, apart from Artbox. It's amazing. We are also going to Gangnam, which is where the Gangnam Style video originated, and it's apparently got a lot of statues of Psy. And then we'll probably come home and clean up our Airbnb because it's messy, and we leave pretty early in the morning tomorrow. One of my aims today is to get a brush because I've been using this $2 flippy 7-Eleven comb and it's awful. I just thought I would show you what Korean won looks like. So this is a 50,000, a 10,000, a 5,000, a 1,000, a 500, a 100, and a 50. So basically think of them as US dollars. So I think we worked out 50,000 was like 62 New Zealand dollars.
So we just spent some time in Lottie World Adventure. We're gonna go ice skating later. Massive. So we're going shopping in here today on our last day here in South Korea. Another thing here, whānau, is that there is an expectation that you have to take your tray and all your rubbish to the rubbish bin. 9 floors up shopping. Kia ora whānau. Yeah, kia ora whānau. Look at that. Kia ora whānau. In their shopping mall, ice rink. We're gonna go ice skating in a minute. We're riding hot air balloons on the roof of this massive building. Look at that.
This is the adventure park part. Safe to say I'm not very good at ice skating.
We made it to the coax after car making us walk 3 kilometers.
This looks scary, Calvin. Oh, okay, this makes sense. Underground, duh. We're at the Korea Coex Mall. It's apparently the largest underground mall in Asia, and it was pretty bust. I went into a couple of shops and they wouldn't let me pay with cash, and that's all I've got. Tree of fruit and vegetables. One of the things I brought today was the face halo. This was real cheap, only 7,000 won. So this is it here. It's a lot more firm than I thought it would be, and it's got a picture of Chloe Morello because I'm pretty sure she is the ambassador. Hey guys, I just used the face halo and it was really good. It didn't leave any makeup that I could see, and my face wasn't red, which was great. I'm just getting ready to kind of pack up. I'm having a fan for dinner because none of the shops apart from Korean barbecue were open, and we didn't really want barbecue. So I went to the 7-Eleven and all the sandwiches and everything were gone, so I didn't get that either. I'm just making sure that all our batteries are charged.
We got home late because we were at the mall, so we decided to on a whim get a pizza and drink some beers.